welcome to my channel. In this video we'll be talking about the power plants in our cells. I hope you enjoy it. Imagine tiny power plants inside your cells, working 24/7 to keep you energized. These power plants are called mitochondria. Welcome to my channel. In the late 1800s, a scientist named Richard Altman observed tiny granules in cells. He called these granules bioblasts. Later, scientists realized that these bioblasts were actually mitochondria. What are mitochondria and their structure? Mitochondria are organelles or tiny organs found in most cells of your body. They are often described as the powerhouses of the cell because they generate most of the cell's energy. Mitochondria are tiny powerhouses within our cells, responsible for producing most of the energy we need to function. Encased in a smooth outer membrane, mitochondria possess a highly folded inner membrane, resembling city factories, which significantly increases the surface area for efficient energy production. The space between the outer and inner membranes, akin to city streets, is known as the intermembrane space. The fluid-filled matrix, analogous to city factories and offices, houses essential components like enzymes, DNA, and ribosomes, all crucial for mitochondrial function. This intricate structure enables mitochondria to generate energy efficiently, powering our cells and keeping us active. The primary function of mitochondria is to produce energy in the form of ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, through a process called cellular respiration. This process involves a series of chemical reactions that break down glucose and other nutrients to release energy. Cellular respiration can be divided into three main stages. First, glycolysis. This occurs in the cytoplasm and breaks down glucose into pyruvate. Second, the Krebs cycle, also known as the citric acid cycle. This takes place in the mitochondrial matrix and further breaks down pyruvate to release carbon dioxide and energy carriers. Third, the electron transport chain. This happens in the inner mitochondrial membrane and uses energy carriers to pump protons across the membrane, creating a gradient. This gradient is then used to produce ATP. In addition to energy production, mitochondria also play a role in other cellular processes, such as calcium signaling. Mitochondria help regulate calcium levels in the cell, which is important for muscle contraction, nerve signaling, and other cellular processes. They are also involved in cell death, as mitochondria can release proteins that trigger programmed cell death or apoptosis. The endosymbiotic theory explains how mitochondria might have originated. Billions of years ago, a large cell engulfed a smaller bacterium. Instead of being digested, the bacterium survived and formed a symbiotic relationship with the larger cell. Over time, the bacterium evolved into a mitochondrion, becoming an essential part of the cell. Evidence supporting the endosymbiotic theory includes the fact that mitochondria have their own DNA, which is similar to bacterial DNA. Mitochondria also reproduce independently of the cell and have a double membrane, which suggests that they were once independent organisms. Mitochondrial diseases are a group of disorders that affect the mitochondria, the energy-producing organelles in our cells. These diseases can cause a wide range of symptoms, including muscle weakness and fatigue, because muscles need a lot of energy to function. Neurological problems can also occur, such as seizures, developmental delays, and dementia. Digestive problems, like difficulty swallowing, vomiting, and diarrhea, are other possible symptoms. Heart problems, including cardiomyopathy, a condition that weakens the heart muscle, can also be a result of mitochondrial diseases. Vision and hearing loss can occur due to damage to the nerves that control these senses. Mitochondrial diseases are often caused by mutations in mitochondrial DNA, or mtDNA. There are a few things you can do to help keep your mitochondria healthy. First, eat a healthy diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help provide the nutrients that mitochondria need to function properly. Second, exercise regularly. Exercise helps to increase the number of mitochondria in your cells. Third, get enough sleep. Sleep is important for cell repair and energy production. And lastly, avoid toxins, as toxins can damage mitochondria. If you are concerned about your mitochondrial health, it is important to talk to your doctor. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you so much for watching.